Hello friends, I hope you are well. Today I will teach you how we can make amazing videos with this application called VivaVideo. You can put any song on it. And the best thing is to make videos with it is that it does not put its logo with video. So let's start. Now I open it. So it has opened. Now we can see there's some options. You can also see that my all edited videos are present here in bottom. Now click on New Project option. So here we can see that my gallery has opened and all videos are being shown. Now I select a video that I want to edit now. So after selecting and clicking on next option, we have there a lot of options. Today, I will tell you some basic tools with which you can create an amazing video. Here in the bottom you can see the edit option. So with this option we can split our video into parts, or you can remove background and can also put filters on your video. Similarly with text option you can write text on your video with different styles and even different fonts. So let's practice it. Similarly, by dragging right left, you can adjust your audio and video to best level. So after editing completely, click on export option to get your video in your gallery. Like and subscribe only if really liked my video. Thank you.